When a woman presents in our office, it's, where do I go? What do I do? They don't say, I want a TPO. It's, my husband beat me, my boyfriend beat me, and now has attacked my child. What do I do?
My first domestic violence case I remember very well. A woman came forward and I suddenly realized there was no shelter, no place for her to go, no place to get counseling. And as far as he was concerned, he's free to do whatever he wanted to do. There was nothing to make her safe.
I take it seriously because I take it personally, but there are many women who are struggling and fighting for survival, and that's why I take it so seriously. I am a survivor of domestic violence.
So here I was, knowing that this man wanted to kill me, and they wanted me to say in front of him that I wanted him to go to jail. And I was afraid to do that, so they couldn't arrest him. Although if I'd been a total stranger and he'd been trying to run me over with a car, they would have just arrested him. So back in that time, if it was a domestic situation or partner situation, the laws didn't apply.
In 1983, there was not a lot of respect for women in the legal system, perhaps anywhere. It took the passage of some laws, election of some judges, and dedicated district attorneys and solicitors to start to protect the interests of women. But by and large, women were either considered whiners or troublemakers and the like. Objective blaming was very much a part of the accepted canon, that is to say, no woman would be beaten if she hadn't done something to cause the man to do it. First of all, the very presence of the Women's Resource Center emphasized how important the issue had become. And people really were concerned, and the courts could no longer hide from it. From its earliest beginnings, the Women's Resource Center was making the lives of women safer. Now, after 30 years, their capabilities have grown so strong that they are a force in ending domestic violence in our society. By their counseling, by their advocacy, they are empowering women and empowering all who are against domestic violence to do their work.
Having an advocate takes them through the entire process. They understand the process, they know the documents, they too share that same compassion to kind of help that woman walk through the system, be it speaking to judges or providing a safe place for them to stay. These advocates have been there and they know how to help that woman, and it makes a huge difference. And so our advocates are helping to save lives.